Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Today oh wow, that was a terrible introduction already. We're off to a flying start. Today we are going to do yet another summer set because, as we mentioned, in Australia it's summertime. This is a much more stylized set than what we've been doing lately. It was inspired by a picture that I saw of palm trees with gold geometric shape things over the top of it in a store called Spotlight. For those of you not familiar with Australia, Spotlight is like a big craft bric-a-brac-y store with a whole bunch of other shit in it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm calling it summer styling because it is a bit stylish and it's easy with a little bit of skill. So today we're starting off, as always, with the Tip Prime base coat, and I'm going to use Little Toto is this nude, and it's got the sparkles in it because of course it is, because it's Claws by Cadence. But if you are natural nailing, always do your proper prep, always prime, because to prime, no, not to prime is a crime. Christ, I fucked that up too. Oh, am I 30 seconds in yet? Am I allowed to swear yet? Okay, so we've got 2 coats of Little Toto, and now we're taking Holo Party because why not? Using the detail and ultra liner from Madame Glam that we got in our little calendar over the Christmas period, I am removing the sticky layer. Why? Because we're drawing on it. And you know how hard it is to draw on a sticky layer? Slippery as fuck is how hard it is to draw on a sticky layer. What am I drawing on this sticky layer? Random lines. I'm just going blip, blip, blip. I'm putting some random lines with the longer of the 2 brush, which is the ultra liner. Now I'm taking the detailer and I am putting a little bit of product on, not too much, and I am pulling through that main line and making a palm leaf. What I'm actually doing is zooming in quite well on my thumbnail rather than the actual palms, so that's always great. Actually, that's not too bad, that shot, so yay for me. Anyway, load your brush a little bit and then pull through from the main line. Make it random. Don't have all of your palm little frong leafy sticky addy bitty things going in the same direction because it won't look real or effective. Putting a glossy top coat on, doing a 30-second cure. If you enjoy me swearing at random things, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. We have fun here. We call out people here when they're doing the wrong thing. It's normally me fucking something up. How cool was that transition? Just a little bit, yep, knocked that over. So I'm taking Perfect Black, Oh Happy Day, which is a dark green. The same nude is on the nail, which is Lil Toto, and it has got shimmer. It's a little bit hard to see the shimmer, but it's got shimmer. Trust me. What am I doing? I'm doing the same thing. I'm taking the black, got any blacker, and I am putting some whoopie swoops randomly, kind of randomly, but stylishly on the nail. Then I am switching to the detailer. I am loading green, that green, onto the detail brush. And I am making a palm by pulling from the black with the green. All I'm doing here really is showing you a close-up of my thumbnail, so I'm just talking smack over the top of it. There we go, we can see a bit better there. So make it random, make it thick, make it thin, make it thick, make it thick, make it thin. Jumping over my words there. Pull them out randomly, pull them out on an angle, pull them out straight, pull them out on top of each other. And when I say pull them out, I'm talking about the palm leaves, not your boobies. Ah, dear, I'm a child. Anyway, so from the black, use the green, and you will get a really nice, natural looking palm leaf ombre type thing. Now you notice on that one the black lost its definition a little bit, so just take your ultraliner and put the black back on top. I also, no, you can't see it, but I used the black to pull a little bit through the bottom of the green just to give it a bit of depth. But the use of the green and the black combined really gives you a point of difference on the nail to the ones that are on my nail, for example, which are just casting a shadow, whereas these ones are actually looking like palm leaves. And this was kind of what was on the poster that I saw, and I really liked it, so I thought, fuck it, let's put it on a nail. And that is, oh, I'm pointing rather expertly to my, congratulating myself on a great job as usual. Oh yes, look, I'm pointing, oh that's great. I'm little Totoing again, 2 coats of this onto the nail. Madame Glam product, they cure for 30 seconds. Now I am placing on, a top coat. Introducing the Squish-O-METER. Oh yes, the Squish-O-METER is a hollowed out piece of acrylic that you place in anything you want to squish, really, and it has a curve to it. So when I want to put these pesky straight metal decals on, they're straight, so they don't sit on the nail properly. So I get out my Squish-O-METER, I squish them, and then they have a curve to them. And once they have a curve, now, as you will see, curve, ooh, I am so clever, they fit on the nail properly. So into the wet top coat, I am placing the smushed, because it's, no, the squished, sorry, smush is something else. We'll do that one day. The Squish-O-METER, I'm placing the squished metal decal onto the nail and curing it. So if you have enjoyed the Squish-O-METER, please take a moment to like and subscribe. And I must take a moment to thank all of you for our 100 subscribers. I was hoping to get there by Valentine's Day, and we are just over it already, and I am absolutely fucking stoked. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really am over the moon. I honestly thought that this channel would be me making these videos for nobody but my husband. And that may well be the case, but you know, there's a couple of you out there watching, and I really enjoy your comments and I really enjoy your feedback, and I really enjoyed the other day when we were saying fuck you to assholes who give thumbs down. So awesome. Now I can't remember the color that I put on this. It showed up on the screen. 2 coats of it. It's quite a nice color actually. I don't mind it as a nude. I have put on a matte top coat, and I am also applying another gold decal, those little metal things. I'm calling them decals, but they're those metal things. Look at that thing, fucking fluff. Oh, it drives me up the wall. Rah! But it didn't cure into the nail. So winning for Kadence, winning for Kadence. And I matte top coated, and I was really careful not to touch the decal with the matte top coat, so it's shiny, and that now is not. and it looks pretty cool when we combine everything together. Now the final nail, nice and quick. A two coat is 2 coats of a colour called Bee's Knees. And look at it. It is the bee's knees because it's just so goddamn shiny. It's amazing. I am putting a shiny top. No, I'm not putting a shiny top coat. Yes, I am putting a shiny top coat. That is a shiny top coat. It didn't look like it there for a second. Shiny top coat onto this because 'tis a crime to put a matte top coat over that particular colour. And that is all we are going to do to that now, because that is all Bee's Knees needs. Jesus Christ, another subscribe. Am I grovelling so much during this or what? Subscribe, don't subscribe, leave a comment, don't leave a comment. It's completely up to you, but I really appreciate your time if and when you do leave a comment for me. Don't forget we're doing Love Week, not Valentine's Day, so leave any suggestions for any sets that you think you want me to put together. Otherwise, you'll have to put up with the crap that my brain turns out. So here we are. I'll shut up talking. This is our very stylized set. You can see the shimmer in that little Toto in these shots, and it's really pretty. This is a fairly easy set, really. It's painting full colours on 3 of the nails and then just faking like you know how to draw palm trees on the other one. So yay me for fooling everybody. Ha ha ha. Alright, I'll stop. I'll leave you all alone now. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you like it. If you don't, maybe I'll get lucky next time. Have a really good rest of day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.